Curious how AI can make your photos look amazing? Stick around to see the top 3 face editors that will change the way you edit forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to Globry Digital Innovation, where we dive into the coolest digital tools and the latest in AI technology. Have you ever seen a photo that looks almost too perfect and wondered how they did it? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're revealing the top 3 AI face editors that are guaranteed to transform how you edit your photos. Whether you're into subtle enhancements or dramatic transformations, these tools have got you covered. Let's jump right in. First up is Remaker AI Face Swap. This tool is an absolute game changer for anyone who loves experimenting with different looks. Ever wanted to swap faces with your favorite celebrity or see yourself as a different gender? Remaker AI makes it happen, and the results are so seamless, it's almost unreal. The AI behind Remaker ensures that facial features blend perfectly, making your swaps look incredibly authentic. Whether you're creating fun content for social media or just curious to see different versions of yourself, this app is your go-to. Plus, the user-friendly interface means you can start swapping faces in no time. Next, let's talk about YouCam Makeup. This app is every beauty enthusiast's dream. With its advanced AI and AR technology, YouCam Makeup lets you virtually try on makeup, experiment with new hairstyles, and apply realistic effects in real time. From foundation and lipstick to eyeshadow and contouring, you can customize your look to match any style or occasion. And it doesn't stop there. YouCam Makeup also offers a skincare analysis feature to help you track your skin health over time. It's the perfect app for discovering new styles and perfecting your look before stepping out into the real world. And finally, we have FaceApp. This app might be a classic, but it's still one of the best in the game. While it's famous for its aging filter, FaceApp offers so much more. You can change your hair color, add facial hair, or even see what you'd look like decades into the future. The AI technology behind FaceApp is incredibly sophisticated, producing results that are both realistic and fun. Whether you're looking to play around with different looks or just have a laugh with friends, FaceApp is a must-have tool. So there you have it, 3 amazing AI face editors that will take your photo editing skills to the next level. Whether you're swapping faces, enhancing your beauty, or just having a bit of fun, these tools have got you covered. And the best part? They're all free to try. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest content. Got a favorite AI tool that we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring the digital world and stay creative.